area right here where a tree had blown down a year ago or so ago, and the stump's been ground out. I'm going to take this area that was high, loose dirt, and my intentions are to turn this into a potato area. So I'm going to try to figure out a way to work all these in. I got quite a few sets to plant, and we'll go through the process of this. I'm not an expert at this, and we've been doing this for a couple of years with potatoes. I'm going to try something different. I do experiments, so this is one of my experiments. So let me kind of explain my thoughts here. Potatoes, you got to heal them throughout the year. I figured that part out. So as they grow, you put dirt over on top of the potato shoots, and that causes more potatoes to grow under the surface. So you keep adding dirt as the year goes on. So I got to move some of this dirt over here to use to heal with later in the year. So that's kind of the process I said. Okay, so I kind of got this bed laid out. So what I'll do here with this, I'll put the potatoes in. As they grow, I can take dirt from over here that I moved out and begin to heal over. And this concrete blocks will allow me to pile higher with less dirt. I did not buy these blocks. These are left over from another project, so you don't have to have the blocks around it. So I have these red potatoes. So I'll cut one of these out and place them in a row like so. We're going to put apart. I'll do that. Now, one of the things I need to caution when you're working with potatoes, especially for the women, you got to be really careful when you're out there gardening with potatoes, because when you bend over in the garden, those taters got eyes. So be very careful when you're gardening, especially for the women. That's an old Louis Gazzard book title, by the way. I did not come up with that. So I have about 3 pounds of potatoes for this, not tomatoes, but potatoes. And we'll see how they do. This is an experiment. I know nothing about this. I've done it for a couple of years, but we'll learn together whether it works or not. I think it will, but I've been known to be wrong. So these potatoes cost about 70 cents a pound. I got 3 pounds. And hopefully I'll get $1.50 worth of potatoes out of it. So you can see why I have this dirt mound here now. It's for healing potatoes. I usually leave an old shovel next to it in the summertime, so as I walk by it, I just stop and heal it up. And I don't have to stop and go get a shovel. Now I don't have to, but I got a bale of hay or straw that's opened up. I'm gonna put some straw on it.